Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're answering the question, can ACCA professionals work in India? The answer is yes. And here's how ACCA can be a valuable qualification in the Indian job market. First, let's talk about recognition by Indian companies and MNCs. Many multinational companies in India, especially in finance, auditing, consulting, and taxation, actively hire ACCA-qualified professionals. Indian companies with international operations also value ACCA's global standards and knowledge of IFRS, making ACCA professionals ideal for cross-border financial roles. Moving on to alignment with global standards. ACCA is designed around International Financial Reporting Standards or IFRS, which are being widely adopted in India as companies expand globally. This gives ACCA-qualified professionals an advantage in roles that require international financial expertise. Next, let's discuss job roles and career opportunities. ACCA professionals in India can work in accounting, financial analysis, taxation, auditing, risk management, and compliance. There's a demand for finance teams, consulting firms, and the Big Four accounting firms. Popular roles include financial analyst, internal auditor, tax consultant, and risk manager. Then there's recognition by Indian regulatory bodies. ACCA has an MOU with the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and there's recognition from SEBI for certain financial roles. While ACCA isn't a substitute for the Indian Chartered Accountant qualification, it's highly valued for international and specialized roles. Now let's consider flexibility and global scope. ACCA's international recognition is a big asset for companies in India that are expanding overseas or working with international clients. It also offers mobility, making it easier for ACCA professionals to transition to roles in other countries if desired. Finally, growing demand. The demand for ACCA professionals in India is on the rise as companies look for finance experts with a global perspective. With globalization and digital finance reshaping the market, ACCA's focus on best practices make it well suited for India's evolving job market. In summary, ACCA professionals can build successful careers in India. The ACCA qualification is respected by multinational firms, supported by regulatory bodies, and aligned with IFRS standards, making it an excellent fit for India's finance and accounting landscape. Ready to make your ACCA dreams real? Look no further than Lakshya. With the highest number of ACCA students and over 2,500 students clearing papers last December alone, Lakshya is the place to be. Join now. So why wait? Let's get into a world of endless possibilities. You can comment down all your queries about ACCA in the comment box here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day ahead.